Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with card layout number 96. We are almost at the 100 mark during 2021. That's 100 cards made. Hopefully you've managed to watch them all and give them all a go. But if you haven't, they will still be there for the foreseeable future. So please do head over to gentlemancrafter.com where you can download the layout that I've just shown you, together with all other, well, what will be 100. Okay, so I've selected the papers from the paper pad you saw, and I'm going to start cropping these down to fit. I'm going to go for a full panel background again on this one. So that's 6 inches by 4 inches. Using the pin flare bookbinding glue as ever. Not sure what I was going to say there. The hook binding glue? Don't know. Anyway. Just a little bit of that goes a long way, so I can stick the entire card front down. Put it to one side under something heavy, and that will keep it flat while it's drying. And then time to cut me some strips. Now the strips again in this one, I'd put 1/2 inch in the layout, but as ever you can widen them if you want, or even make them thinner if your trimmer and your fingers allow. To be honest, having had a recent incident with a new kitchen knife, I've got less fingers, so not less fingers in total number, but one of them's a little bit shorter, so so maybe I can get a bit more out of these papers. Anyway, glue goes on the back. And then gridded ruler in to help me position the first one, hopefully straight. Now I decided to use the gridded ruler here to put this one in position, but then changed my mind because I thought that with the wider strips it's going to take up more space. So I quickly removed it before that glue had grabbed and just moved it over a little bit, and then put the third one in position with about the same amount of clearance. And then for the sentiment I used foam pads to raise it up. But before I did that, I decided to chop off the border as it was a bit too stark. I could have inked it as well, but I chose not to, just for the purpose of showing you that this was a very quick card to put together. Again, if you make cards to sell for charity or your own pocket, something like this uses up scraps and is very quick to make and very easy to batch make too. We're just a few away from that 100 mark, so I hope you have been enjoying these. And we'll look forward to the revised card layout system we're coming up with for next year. Exciting times ahead. Okay, and that's that one done. Thanks for watching. That's it for this time. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And for more from me in the future, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.